Every single day, 10 million boxes of mac and cheese flood onto American tables. This is not a kitchen, it is a high-stakes industrial symphony. Moving at speeds that would make a race car dizzy, these lines never stop. This is the heart of America's favorite comfort food.
But what exactly creates that iconic golden glow? The sheer volume of cheese.
Welcome inside one of the largest food processing plants on the planet. This is the multi-billion-dollar operation behind your dinner.
Forget your stovetop. Here, we deal with high-pressure steam and steel that must be maintained to the millisecond.
And later, we'll reveal the one secret ingredient that prevents your cheese from clumping, a chemical trick that changed the food industry forever.
This is the ultimate journey from an American icon to the...
It all begins with the gold of the earth, durum wheat. But only the highest grade makes it past these sensors.
First, the wheat is obliterated. These massive rollers grind the kernels into semolina, the coarse, golden heart of the grain. Only the finest particles make the cut. Any imperfections are vibrated away, leaving behind pure, golden semolina gold.
Next comes the water temps. These melodies transform We are talking tons of pressure. This isn't just a kitchen mixer. It's a high-stakes industrial push.
This is the moment. Forced through these precision dies, the dough finally takes the shape that has fed generations.
Blades spinning at thousands of RPMs ensure every single elbow is identical. Perfection is the only option at this scale.
Look at this. Thousands of pieces every second, flowing like a golden river toward the next stage.
The heat is turned up instantly. This flash dry locks the shape in place before they can even think about sticking together. Fresh pasta is a ticking clock. To make it shelf-stable for your pantry, we have to strip away the moisture without cracking the shell. It's a 40-foot journey through a precision-controlled atmosphere. 1 degree of error, and the entire batch loses its signature snap.
This isn't just for transport. These high-frequency vibrations keep the pasta in constant motion, so they never stick together.
Laser eyes scan 10,000 pieces every single second. Anything less than perfect is identified in a millisecond.
A precise blast of air culls the rejects. In this factory, imperfection simply isn't an option.
Before the cheese, there is the weight. These silos hold 100,000 pounds of pasta.
Now, for the part you've been waiting for, the liquid gold. This is where the iconic flavor profile is born. We're churning 30,000 gallons at a time. It's a delicate balance of fat and protein to ensure that classic velvet texture.
Safety meets science. We flash heat the blend to lock in the flavor and kill the bacteria, all in a matter of seconds.
Welcome to the heart of the beast. This is a 10-story drying tower where liquid cheese meets its destiny. 300-degree air hits the mist, evaporating moisture in a fraction of a second. This isn't just powder. It's a golden snowfall of pure flavor. Centrifugal force takes over, spinning the air at high speeds to separate the dust from the draft.
Every grain is measured. If the size is off by just a few microns, it won't melt perfectly in your bowl.
Massive rollers crush the kernels, stripping away the husk to reveal the golden semolina flour hidden inside. This massive screw drive exerts tons of pressure, forcing the dough forward into the heart of the machine. They need space to breathe. These vibrating conveyors ensure no two pieces touch, preparing them for the most critical phase of all.
This is the point of no return. In this 100-foot oven, we lock the gluten structure. If we get this wrong,
If these noodles can't handle 40 pounds of direct pressure right now, they'll never survive the journey to your bowl. But pasta is only half the story. The real magic happens here, in the liquid cheese vats, where the flavor profile is born. This isn't just flavor. It's a precise chemical balance of fats and proteins, designed to reconstitute in seconds when you add milk. To get that shelf-stable powder, the cheese must take a 40-foot plunge through a storm of scorching hot air.
Atomization happens at over 3,000 psi. Each droplet is smaller than a grain of sand, allowing the moisture to vanish in a heartbeat. What go in as a liquid comes out as a bone-dry concentrated powder, retaining 100% of the original cheddar sharp flavor. If the color is off by even a single shade, the entire batch is rejected. Perfection is the only option here.
Consistency is king. A variation of even 0.1% in the salt ratio would be detected by the millions of loyal fans of this brand. Now, the two components are on a collision course. The pasta is dry, the cheese is powdered, and the packaging line is waiting.
Agencies. While the pour travels through pipes, the pasta arrives like a golden tide. What's that?
These aren't just belts. They are high-frequency vibratory feeders that ensure not a single macaroni elbow sticks to another. Nearby, the silver foil that protects your cheese sauce is being shaped. It happens so fast the human eye can barely track the folds. In less than 1/10 of a second, the perfect amount of powder is injected and sealed. Speed is vital to keep the powder from absorbing any moisture. This is the handshake. The cheese sachet takes the lead, and the pasta follows, landing perfectly every single time. The factory breathes cardboard. This machine transforms flat sheets into three-dimensional boxes at a rate that would outpace a professional athlete. Precision is non-negotiable. If a box is missing even 5 elbows, the system detects it and rejects it in milliseconds. A specialized thermal bond seals the freshness in. This seal is the only thing standing between the pasta and the outside world. Before they leave, every box is scanned with X-rays. We see through the cardboard to ensure what's inside is nothing but pure comfort food.
This is where human hands can no longer keep up. This robotic arm handles 12 boxes every 2 seconds.
That's over 500 boxes every 60 seconds. At this pace, one small jam could stall a city's supply for days.
Order is everything. This grid formation is the secret to why your mac and cheese arrives at the store without a single dent. The heat shrink tunnel applies localized temperature to fuse the protective film, creating a brick of comfort food. Now, we scale up. This palletizer is building a stack that weighs more than a compact car. 10,000 pounds of macaroni in a single stack. And this factory fills hundreds of these every day. To survive the cross-country journey, the pallet is spun through miles of high-tension stretch wrap. Every pallet gets a digital identity. From this moment, we know exactly where your dinner is at every second of its journey. This isn't just a warehouse. It's the national reserve of America's favorite comfort food. The trucks are waiting. But how many of these do you think a single city consumes in a week? Tell us your guess in the comments.
This isn't just shipping, it's a digital ballet. Over 10,000 trucks are tracked in real. Before reaching your local store, these boxes pass through regional hubs that process over 1 million units every single day.
It is more than just a box. It's an American staple found in 9 out of 10 households across the country.
After a journey of thousands of miles, the product arrives in your kitchen exactly as it left the factory. Perfect.
7 minutes of boiling water is all it takes to unlock the energy stored in that sun-ripened durum wheat.
This is where the secret chemistry happens. The powder is engineered to emulsify instantly, creating that iconic liquid gold texture.
Consistency is king. Whether you're in Maine or Malibu, every bite is engineered to taste exactly like home.
Cheers, everyone!
To the best meal of the year. But they don't stay in boxes for long. Massive robotic arms take over, stacking layers with mathematical precision.
A high-speed turntable then wraps the entire pallet in industrial film. In 15 seconds, it's armored and ready for the road.
Welcome to the labyrinth. This facility holds enough mac and cheese to feed a small nation for a month.
To keep the shelves full, a truck leaves these docks every 90 seconds. Rain, snow, or shine, the flow never stops.
Before they go, we test their limits. This machine simulates a 3,000-mile cross-country trip in just 10 minutes. Without this one natural ingredient, your favorite comfort food wouldn't look like mac and cheese at all.
But the machines don't have the final say. Every hour, human experts taste the results.
Nothing is left to chance. High-speed X-rays scan every box for microscopic imperfections at a pace no human eye could ever match.
Efficiency is total. Even the pasta dust is reclaimed, ensuring this massive operation leaves almost no footprint behind. Once a day, the symphony stops. The entire facility undergoes a high-pressure steam sterilization that rivals a surgical theater.
500 trucks a day. A constant pulse of gold flowing from this hub to every kitchen table in America.
All that engineering, all that speed, just to create this. A single, perfect bowl.
Next time you open a box, remember the symphony of steel that brought it to you. It's not just food, it's a miracle of the modern world.
Does seeing the scale make you crave a bowl, or are you shocked by the science? Tell us in the comments.
This isn't just an American staple. This single facility supplies enough pasta to feed millions of families across.
To the human eye, it's just orange. To these sensors, it's a specific mathematical coordinate. If the hue is off,
Even the mistakes are valuable. Every broken noodle and stray grain of flour purposed.
the clock never stops. Speed is the secret ingredient that keeps the supply chain flowing and the shelves stocked 24/7.
From raw earth to golden box. This is the industrial symphony that feeds a nation.
Now that you've seen how it's made, we have to know. Are you Team Fork or Team Spoon? Tell us in the comments why your way is the only right way.